Today we are testing MovieFlow, sponsored by NordVPN. MovieFlow is an AI video platform for creating short videos, story videos, images, and real animated content. Useful for creators who want realistic dialogue scenes, lip sync, and practical AI video ideas for social media. Let's go in. So first go on movieflow.ai. Here you have an overview about the tool. On the bottom you already can see some community results, cinematic quality, everything you can do, and also the top models like Seedream 2.0 here. We have omni-reference or first and last frame, where we can create a video with two images, first and last. We have resolutions up to 4K, different languages, durations, and vertical or horizontal ratio. We can also upload references here. Our first prompt is a realistic video of a young woman sitting in a small coffee shop, looking at her laptop and talking directly to the camera with some dialogues we've written here. We select Seedream 2.0, 4K output and 15 seconds, horizontal, and just hit make. Now MovieFlow generates all automatically. We have to do nothing here, just sit back and relax. And here is the result, and it's just crazy good. Let's look at it.
I started posting AI videos after work, and my first goal was simple: create one useful video every day.
The lip sync, the quality, it's just perfect. It's cinematic quality, no deformations, mouth movement on point, dialogue as we written before, the scene exactly that what we wanted, just perfect. I test new AI tools almost every single day. This is why I use NordVPN to keep my connection secure and my IP address private. For example, I can connect through Japan and it works seamlessly. Fast, private and easy, and with servers across more than 140 countries around the world, there are plenty locations to choose from. What I like at NordVPN, it's not just VPN anymore. The feature I actually use the most is the built-in next generation antivirus, which can be activated without an active VPN. It can block scam websites, phishing links, dangerous downloads, trackers, and annoying ads before they even become a problem. Since I often work from hotels, cafes, and while traveling, having encrypted internet gives me peace of mind. Plus, I can use the same account for all of my devices. Through the link in the description, you get a huge discount, 4 extra months for free, and it's completely risk-free thanks to NordVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're looking for a simple way to stay safer and more private online, NordVPN is worth checking out. Now a more advanced example, we have again a prompt, a realistic office scene with a small business owner recording a short testimonial on his phone with a dialogue again, but now we upload a reference image, which is our small business owner. We can reference it here in the prompt with add image 1. We want it vertical and we just hit make. And after 2 minutes, MovieFlow finished it. Let's look at it.
Before using AI tools, creating videos took me hours. Now I can test 3 ideas before lunch and post the best one.
Again, lip sync, character consistency, it's all there, exactly our scene, the dialogue. It can't be better. Very good job, MovieFlow. At the video agent, you can also create videos up to 10 minutes, which is amazing. So we upload this black headphone and we want to create an ad, like headset, confirm, just select it, make a full ad video with a fictional name for the headset. We want 1080p, we want up to 1 minute, and we hit make. And now he not only generates the video, before the video he generates a full scene, script and storyboard for our desired product. As you can see on the left, we have a cast with a character, the headset on it, a full script where Alex walks on the city street sidewalk wearing the headphone. We have the different clips, we have a full video editor here right in the web browser, which is amazing. Here we have the timeline with the generated video. Let's look at it.
The world is loud. Headsy keeps you focused.
Designed for comfort. Built for everyday sound.
Can you hear me clearly?
Perfectly.
From work calls to late night playlists, Herdzie moves with your day. Narrator, Herdzie, hear what matters.
From the beginning to the end, it's just perfect. He also inserted our desired brand name here, Herdzie, on the headphone, in the video, on the character. It's just amazing what MovieFlow can do here. Very good. Now we have a full story here. A man searches his key in his apartment and the woman just laughs at him. Let's look at it.
You always say you're leaving in 5 minutes.
Because I always think I am. I swear I left them right here.
You mean the place you never actually use?
Let's skip a bit.
This is not funny.
It's a little funny.
The whole scene, the different multi-shots, the characters consistent, the lip sync, the background music. It's everything here. Just by a simple prompt, he generated a full script, storyboard and the final video. Amazing. If you like MovieFlow, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.